Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors, and thank you for coming to see a video at my channel. I do appreciate it so much. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving with your families, and I hope you ate a lot of good food. I know I plan to today. I actually did all my cooking yesterday, so all I have to do today is heat it up. And I know it's kind of weird to cook everything on Wednesday, but I just feel so much more relaxed today. And if somebody comes over, we have plenty of food. So anyway, this is my Temu order, and part of this was the order that I returned to get my money back because this is one of the items that was in there for $4, and um, I was supposed to get it free, but I did not realize and I did not know that when they say you can get 2 free items, you have to choose them. You have to meet their minimum requirement for the order, and you have to check out all within 10 minutes. And I guess I couldn't do that. I don't know. I don't. If I had known, I sure would have tried harder and not spent so much time fooling around and looking at other stuff. So anyway, um, this is some black glitter cardstock. It was $3.90, and it's 11.5 by 8. And you saw the other glitter paper that I got, and there are 10 sheets in there. This was the other item. I tried to take everything out of the packages so we can go faster. This was the other item, this vellum. So you get 6 of these sheets. Do I have this upside down? I do. I thought it looked kind of bland. Anyway, you get 6 of these 8 by 6-inch papers. And it's mostly all advertising, which doesn't bother me. I like that. But they had several you could choose from. And then you get 18 of these 8 by 8 ones. Those remind me of the old green stamps we used to save, huh? Oh, I'm really dating myself now. Yeah, this paper is very, very nice. And this was, I think, around $7.50. So these are all different, no two alike. So you can just see it's just all advertising. So I never really had vellum paper that was printed. So I'm very excited about this. Well, I do have some from the Dollar Tree of the hearts and the, oh, I forget what the other thing is. I got these 10 little wreaths. It's nail art. There are rhinestones and pearls on the not the heart, the wreath, and there's a bow on top. So these are really pretty for $1.19. I had this in my cart when I watched Laura from Laura's Plans and Crafts do a haul with this bow, which can be a shaker. I hope you guys can see this. There we go. Which can be a shaker, or you can just layer this onto this part here. So it's a really nice size. It cut out very well for her. She didn't make a shaker with it, but I do like how it looked, just layered up. It's really nice. Let's see. It is 2.5 inches by 3 inches. So really nice size bow. And it doesn't look like you have to fuss with it very much. So while I have this black here, I wanted to show you this gold ribbon. Now they were out of this. It was out of stock. But it comes in a bunch of different colors, and it's about an inch tall, and I could not find how much is on this roll, but it is quite a bit, as you can see. So this can be used any time of year, even though it is hearts. That was $2.23. Come on over here. I also got these Christmas cards. This is the envelope here, which I like the envelope, but it does not have any adhesive on here. So I'll have to glue it myself. And these are the cards. You get 2 of each. There's 12 cards. So we have Christmas wishes, Merry Christmas, Season's greetings, Merry Christmas to all, warm winter wishes, and Christmas wishes. And they're very simple and no bling. Can you imagine? No bling. So those are just to send out to my neighbors and things like that. So let me show you this first. These wooden pieces were $3.20. So I really like them because they are pink Christmas. So we have a little Christmas train, some pink trees, and you get 2 each of these. I think there's at least 12 different ones. There's a little angel in front of the tree. And a sleigh. A gingerbread. Pink truck. Santa. Look at the little cat with the pink tree. And a little snowman. Bells. Another snowman. And a reindeer. So those are really nice, and that is what inspired me to get this paper here. And this was $3.60. Now, I can remember when we used to get these paper pads for like 99 cents at Temu. Those days are over. Sometimes you can get like just 12 sheets for 99 cents maybe, but not 24. So anyway, see these pink trees? This is the theme throughout this paper. So you get 2 of each one. And you're going to see a lot of trees. And there's a snowman. Trees and snowmen. So cute. Trees. More trees. There's some trees around town. He's riding. The reindeer's riding the reindeer. Is that a reindeer? What is that? Yep, that's what it is. A reindeer riding a reindeer. So let me know in the comments what you did for Thanksgiving. We're just staying home, which is pretty nice. Aw, snowman. because it is absolutely horrible outside. Oh, I like these white trees. And that is it. So that is the end of my Temu haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing these things that I picked out. I always enjoy seeing what you guys find. And I will link Laura at Laura's Plans and Crafts in the description box. And I am going to link Liana at It's a Deal, because I think that's where I saw this ribbon on her channel. So if you do go over, tell them I sent you. And I will see you all next time with something new.